Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
The wicked governor of the river says some satanic works against the zone getting the presidential ticket of the People Democratic Party, PDP. He spoke on Monday when he addressed the PDP supporters in the River State. Wike also contested the presidential primary on Saturday, came second with a 237 votes against the former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, 371 votes. In his address on Monday, Wike made a reference to betrayal, conspiracy, and the people who cannot keep to agreements, but he didn't mention any name in particular. As far as I am concerned, there is nothing to worry about. I contested election based on the principle and agreement with all the southern governors and the leader of the South that the presidency should go to the South this period. He said, "We have done our own part and will never betray anybody because it is not in our blood to betray. But it is a shame to those people, some of the governors from the South and the people they used to sabotage our interests. However, we have shown them that we are not like them. We have made a capacity to do whatever is good for us. I don't want to talk about some other people who cannot even win election in their own place. I have told them that this election, whoever emerge, I will support, and I am not going to go back."
We have all it takes to do whatever we want to do. It's a matter of you to be firm. It's a matter of you to be faithful. There's nobody that is born greater than us in this country, and therefore cannot answer second class. We can't. We don't use this one to tell them that enough. We made them not to sleep. We made them not to eat. We made all of them, from wherever they say they come from, to know that, look, there's somebody who can take them on. This country does not belong to one particular zone. If people are afraid of talking, it's their business. I cannot be a second-class citizen in my country. I cannot. Some of them, their in-laws are governors in the opposition and the ruling party. But they want to interfere in what happens in PDP. Some of them, their brothers are governors in the ruling party. And they want to interfere. I must fail. Why must you control me? That's why the country is in the problem where we are today. Look at the leadership. They just want somebody they will control. That will not do you want somebody that will do everything you want them to do. And see where we are. And I told them, I will not be a party to that. I will not. The only people that will control me are Nigerians. I will do what is for the interest of Nigerians and not what is the interest of few people who want to be in power for military till now. So, people...
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.